mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Oh, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Can I get a cup of tea? How old are you? Number, measurement, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fraction. Our world is full of mathematics. Math is the only place where truth and beauty mean the same thing. Math is the language of universe. So, the more equation you know, the more you can converse with the cosmos. The Indian government declared 22nd December to be the National Mathematics Day. This was announced by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on 26th February 2012 at Madras University to mark the 125th birth anniversary of the Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. An equation for me has no meaning unless it expresses a thought of God. This is said by Srinivasa Ramanujan. What is mathematics? It is only a systematic effort of solving puzzles posed by nature. Mathematics is the art of giving same name to different things. Mathematics is not about numbers, equation, computations or algorithm. It is all about understanding. I think many of your teachers said this. Maths is only about understanding. Mathematics now no race or geographic boundaries for mathematics. The cultural word is the one country. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. The best thing about mathematics is that it is very simple once you understand it. Love maths in order to understand the various calculation of life in an unwatched way. Well, on this special day of National Mathematics, I am going to tell you about some great mathematicians and their contributions. As most of us all know, this is the concept. The concept of zero comes from the Hindu astronomer and mathematician Brahmagupta. He also explained how to find cube and cube root of an integer and gave rules facilitating. Aryabhatta was the first person to say that the earth is spherical and started the correct number of days in a year, that is 365. Srinivasa Ramanujan was one of the Indian greatest mathematical genius. He made contributions to number theory. C.R. Rao is a well-known statistician, famous for his theory of estimation. Harishchandra FRS was an Indian-American mathematician and physicist who did fundamental work is representation theory. Bhaskara, an Indian astronomer and mathematician, he was the one who declared that any number divided by 0 is infinity and that the sum of any number and infinity is also infinity. Karmakar's algorithm is an algorithm introduced by Narendra Karmakar in 1984 for solving linear programming problems. Apart from the above mentioned, there are many other famous Indian mathematicians. Please do mention about them in comment section as a tribute for National Mathematics Day. I am a math teacher. Of course, I have problems, but I know how to solve them too. Mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Math may not teach us how to add love or subtract hate, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert the negativities into positivities. So love math, stay positive, stay happy, stay safe and celebrate National Mathematics Day. Thank you.